I'm not resisting.
You're detained.
I don't have a taser.
You're detained.
Hey, Marquise, I'm going to bail in Orlando. Come get me.
Orlando Police, we have on your back.
On July 7, 2024, officers with the Orlando Police Department responded to a late-night call from a nightclub reporting an armed disturbance. What began as a bar altercation quickly escalated into a police response involving multiple officers.
Don't touch me, sir.
You're detained.
I don't have a taser.
You're detained.
Hey, Marquise, I'm going to bail in Orlando. Come get me.
Orlando Police, we have on your back. You're resisting. Tensing your arm.
Marquise, I'm pregnant.
You're resisting. You're tensing your arm. I got her arm. Get her touched.
I am pregnant. Sir, I'm April's pregnant.
You shouldn't have been resisting.
I'm not resisting. Sir, I'm not resisting.
Yes, ma'am, you were. You've been tensing up this entire time.
I was waiting on the bottle lady to bring me my shoes. Malia, get that black lady. She just told us to wait. Ma'am. Bro, that lady right there.
Get her on her side, please.
I need my phone. I need my phone.
We got your phone.
No, madam, boy, don't touch me, sir. Why are you
You're resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm pregnant. I didn't do anything.
It doesn't matter if you're pregnant.
You don't know what happened. You just bailed me. I didn't resist.
Okay, listen. I'm trying to explain it to you, but you keep trying to talk over me, okay?
I'm about to throw up.
The fire department's on its way.
But why did I just get bailed on the ground?
What's your name?
Mia.
All right.
Why did I get bailed on the ground?
Okay, listen. I'm trying to explain to you. You're not even trying to listen. Okay? Okay. We got a call saying that a person matching your description was trying to tase people.
I took the taser from that girl, and they took it from me.
Dispatch advised officers that a woman wearing a floral shirt was standing outside the club and allegedly attempting to use a taser on security staff. Any report involving a weapon immediately elevates the level of police response.
Okay.
When they hit the black
You're not letting me explain though. Okay, I know, but give me a second, okay?
Yes, sir, I hear you.
Okay. So that's what we got, okay? Hold on. Right. We have to go on what we have first, okay?
I don't understand why I'm
Give me a second. I'm trying to. Okay. We got a call that said this. Okay. We have to go on what we're called on. Okay. So once an officer gives you a lawful order, you have to listen to those orders, even though if you don't agree with those orders.
This is the first officer that wanted to bear me. I went to grab my phone. I said, hey, I answered him.
I grabbed you. You said, no, don't touch me. You pulled away. I was trying to put your hands behind your back, and you
I wanted
tensed up the
to
entire
tell my
time.
mom and my
You tensed up. Therefore, that's why we put you on the ground. Because you tensed up the entire time and said, no.
I understand it.
Okay, you understand.
I was out here waiting for the lady with the waist trainer to bring me my belongings, my wallet and my shoes. They said I could wait for them.
Right. But when we get here, we got to call out someone wearing a floral shirt. You're the only person wearing a floral shirt.
I already got escorted out.
So therefore, you're detained. Because we're getting called that you're threatening people with a taser.
I didn't threaten any. Can you ask the witnesses?
It doesn't mean you're still detained upon my arrival.
So
when I grab you, you're...
Malia, please get my phone and call my mom.
They won't let me get your phone. That's what I'm saying.
I hear what you're saying, sir. Excuse me, officer.
According to reports, the situation began inside the nightclub when the suspect's friend became involved in a physical fight at the bar. The suspect then allegedly escalated the conflict by throwing a drink and threatening security personnel.
I'm asking why am I going to jail though?
For resisting without violence.
I didn't resist, sir. You know I didn't resist.
Okay, ma'am.
Fire's coming back out for her.
Okay, so we'll hang out for a little bit.
But can I talk to you, please? All jokes aside,
Sure, we can talk.
I didn't resist you, sir. And I'm sorry if you feel that way. I apologize. I literally was waiting on
It's not that I felt that way, man. I have nothing against you. I'm just letting you know when an officer goes to grab you, there's a reason I go to grab you.
I didn't step back. I said I'm going to jail.
You pulled your arm away from me, and that's why someone else grabbed you, and we had to put you to the ground. While we're trying to handcuff you, you're still fighting us.
I went to the ground. I have a rod right here, sir. Do you see how I'm sorry, but do you see how my right arm bends? Do you see how my right arm is bent? I have a rod and snatch away from you. I had said, hey,
it was your left arm, by the way. I had your left arm. And your left arm, you were still tensed up the entire time. So regardless,
Yes, sir. I get it. I don't want to go to jail for that, sir.
It's just resisting without violence.
I don't live here, sir. I didn't resist you. I
Do you have a Florida
apologize.
ID?
I can't find. They can't find my wallet.
Do you have a Florida ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I didn't resist you. I don't feel like that's fair.
understand.
I apologize if you
So,
feel that way. It's
this is
nothing we
where
can
you
do,
go.
so I can't go to jail.
This is the whole point, right? You can go to court, you can test it, but they're going to watch my body camera footage and they're going to hear me yelling at you, stop resisting.
And I will take it to court because I didn't snatch. I answer the phone. I say, hey, babe, I'm going to jail.
But
Because you said detain, and that's what I thought detain means jail. I say, hey, I'm going to jail in Orlando. Okay, I'm going to jail. And I let y'all slam me. I just was telling him I was going to jail.
What's going on?
I got a piece of glass in my arm, and when he bent me, the glass slid in my arm. Like, I don't think they were, he feels like I was resisting, sir. I don't resist officers. You can check
he
my
doesn't
record.
care about the resistance. He
I
just wants to
understand
know
that. I have
what
glass
you
in
need.
my arm.
Show your arm.
The glass in my arm right now. And when he bent me, the glass slid up in my arm. I got a whole metal rod in my arm. Why you sitting out there?
When officers arrive, their priority is scene safety, locating the reported weapon, separating individuals involved, and preventing further violence. Officers make contact with the suspect outside the club. She appears emotionally charged, and officers work to control the situation while issuing clear verbal commands.
I mean, there is something in your arm, but it
Glass
looks
in my
like it's...
arm. I know what's in my arm. I have glass in my arm from my car accident. And when he bent me, it slid up. I felt it, and it started to throb. I know what's in my arm.
to the hospital?
I would like to, yeah, if I have to.
Let's just go ahead and get it.
I really just don't. I want to go to jail. Just take me to jail. I want to get bond. Can I bond myself out of jail? Can I please get my?
Yes, you can.
I need my phone to do so. That is weird that I can't use my phone.
So what do you,
So do you want to go to the hospital or not?
No, I just want y'all to take me to jail. I want my wallet and my shit.
guys.
before I go.
Alright.
This is madly insane.
we're going to walk back to my car now, okay?
Hey, hold up.
Hold on. As a matter of fact, we're going to walk back.
Sorry.
But do you see how I'm not pulling away from you?
I know. That would have been great if you didn't do that.
I did not do that, so I can't believe y'all.
I'm on. Cisco. So if this thing... I don't think it really matters what
So what do you have? Misdemeanor or felony?
Misdemeanor.
Okay, so call me when your charging affidavit is done so that I can read it over because I'm supposed to look it over and approve that. So if it's a misdemeanor and you send it through, I won't get to be able to look at it. So yeah, call me, I'll read it over, I'll say good to go, and then that's
Understood
it.
now.
In situations involving alleged weapons like a taser, officers must assume a higher level of risk. Commands are issued clearly and repeatedly to ensure compliance and public safety. The suspect is detained while officers investigate. Throughout the process, officers attempt to de-escalate emotions and prevent the situation from turning physical.
Okay.
What?
No, you're good.
Ma'am, I hope you know that's not me being... That's
No,
not
I
me
know,
being,
I know. That's your normal.
I call him
okay.
sir. I call him sir like
I told my...
80 times in a day.
He thinks that no matter what, when a sergeant talks to him, we're angry with him. That's just how it works.
Delta 16 headquarters.
That is weird.
What's that?
Copy mileage.
Yes, ma'am. They'll let you do that.
1540.
Yes, ma'am. They'll let you do that. What's that?
I hope you're not taking us to the hospital. I don't want to.
We are at the hospital. It's... I understand, but you're claiming...
Following the incident, the suspect is transported to a hospital for medical evaluation. Individuals involved in physical altercations are often medically cleared before being taken to jail, and the suspect is medically cleared and released back into police custody. Medical clearance ensures there are no immediate health risks before incarceration.
Something that has to get medically checked out. He told me directly to come here. Wait, that's not your option. You can tell that to the hospital, but until then, we need discharge paperwork because you're claiming something happened. Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am. You said you have a rod.
I don't want it.
You said you have a rod in your arm that slipped. Therefore, we need your...
I said I got a rod in my arm and I got a piece of glass in my arm. And when you bent me, the glass moved. You can see
Okay.
the knot with a glass.
So therefore,
And I still
you
don't
need
want medical
discharge
treatment.
paperwork.
I had the glass in my arm 3 years.
So I'll make sure to tell that to the
I
hospital.
don't want the medical treatment. I don't want the medical treatment. I don't want the medical treatment.
It's-
Break me, it'd be nasty.
It's
I don't
not
wanna
being
see no
nasty.
doctor. I don't want to be at no Yvonne. I don't want to be here. Advent can't do nothing for me.
Just
I
for
want
documentary
to have
purposes,
I
I'm
don't
only
need-
waiting for my partner to get here so that way we can
I don't want to
move
be
you.
here, sir.
She is then transported to the Orange County Jail for booking. At this stage, officers must decide which charges are supported by evidence in witness cooperation.
Is there no way to call your sergeant?
You already spoke to my sergeant.
You can tell him I don't want this.
He already knows that, ma'am.
Alright, for for medical purposes, body cam.
It's only a $500 bond. So whatever that'll be. I don't know if it's, I think it might be less. I think it might be $250. I think the minimum is $250. So I think you only have to put up like $250 or something like that. What's that? I understand. If you want, I can let you make a phone call once we get there. Ma'am? Oh, I'm sorry. If you want, I'll let you make a phone call. Yeah. In order to open it to make a phone call, I don't know your password. Which one's mom? Mom? Okay, I'm calling it now.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Malia, I thought Malia was fighting a man. The whole time it was a stud.
Although the original call involved a weapon, the suspect was ultimately charged only with resisting officers without violence. The security guard declined to pursue additional charges. Court records later show that the resisting charge was dropped. This highlights how charges can change as cases move through the legal system.
It's only a $500 bond. So whatever that'll be. I don't know if it's, I think it might be less. I think it might be $250. I think the minimum is $250. So I think you only have to put up like $250 or something like that.